Hi there, Tanning Club team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy. Your listing, Sun Tanning Lotion, caught me attention, and congratulations on receiving 4.5 star ratings. I know how competitive this category is. Seeing this, it's a great achievement. And by the way, my name is Jan from the Amazon Guy. I would like to walk you through some opportunities your team might want to consider in this video. So the main drivers of traffic in Amazon are keywords. This is a tool we use to analyze keywords. Now, looking at your keyword distribution, it's great that you're running ads for over 4,000 and organically banking indexing for over 3,000 of keywords. However, notice here that you're most likely overspending on your keywords compared to your competitors. We usually recommend a healthy golden ratio of 1 is to 2, which means that in every to organic, we aim to have a one paid for better traffic and conversion. Down here, these are keyword phrases, highly searched keywords under your category. First, I did filter this on one of the important keyword from the word cloud relevant to your product. And I can see that you are ranking both for sponsored and organic for tanning gel over 10,000 of searches, and great job for boosting products visibility by bidding on these keywords. However, looking at your organic, this can be better, ranking at 27. This tells us that you have good foundation, but since you're sitting towards the bottom of page 1, we can help move this into a single digit for better organic visibility. Imagine the increase of sales if you're being seen twice at the top of page 1, where the majority of clicks and conversions happen. Also, if we're going to filter your sponsored here on the keywords that you're aggressively indexing, great job on the keywords with strong search demand that you're targeting and relevant to your product. But for other keywords with very low conversion, we can support you in bidding on the right keywords, lowering your A costs while scaling traffic and increasing your sales. Now, to show you how big your category is, using this keyword alone, tanning gel brought in over $7 million in monthly revenue. It looks to me there's a lot of market share that's still available for you that you can take advantage of. Your category is huge. We can help you grow your market share even more by focusing on conversions. Click through rate is part of our SEO strategy, and these are the past 30 days of sales and revenue. Now let's take a look at this brand here, B10. By the way, I'm not doing any product comparison. There could be pricing gap here. I just want to give you an idea how they're targeting keywords, and you might want to benefit from it since they're both under the same category. Looking at their strategy, they are indexing for more. They have over 5,000 of organic, taking advantage of free traffic. They only have 722 paid. I did filter their keywords here on one of the important keyword from the word cloud as well, and notice that they're very aggressive organically. So this could be one reason why they have better exposure and have generated almost 9,000 unit sales in the past 30 days with over $80,000 in revenue. While your brand have generated over 2,000 unit sales and over $90,000 in revenue, meaning you have a good sales ranking as well, but there's a great potential to generate more sales. Despite pricing gap here, you can, or there's a great potential to close the gap. So we can help you run a keyword gap analysis, but we can also show you your strike zone. And this time I'm going to filter your 20 to 50 organic. All right, notice here you still have 342 keywords on your list that are currently not producing much because again you're sitting towards the bottom of page 1. That is over 300,000 of Amazon search volume. So we can move this into a single digit, help you convert it into an actual sales. We manage strike zone and face serve SEO is part of our SEO strategy. And we can also get you these keyword expert for free if you book a call with us. Back to your landing page, looking at your title, you can still add more characters here to improve SEO performance. You might want to consider maximizing up to 200 character limits. Also, for bullet points, all right, you're doing a great job here. Well done in your main image. You have lifestyle, product features, infographic. You might want to consider adding demographic, a picture of your target customer, looking at the camera, showing that they're using your product. That will really create a sense of connections to your potential customers. And let's proceed with your A plus content. All right, I can see you have high quality visuals in here, larger photos, product read, but you can still improve this by adding 500 up to 1,000 words of copy each design, approval text, to double your organic and get more visibility with Amazon's algorithm. Another important module to take advantage of is the brand story. Let me show you an example. This is the brand Age of Sage from our founder, Stephen Poe. So you can utilize different templates to boost brand awareness, and this is the perfect spot to showcase how your brand sets apart from other competitors. And you can also add clickable links to help increase average order value and drive more traffic to your storefront. So those are just a few tips here at my Amazon guide. We are full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So if you found this video helpful, book a call with us, speak directly with one of our experts. We can discuss your Amazon needs. Thank you for watching.